Hello, my friends. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my vlog. Today, I'm gonna have a barbecue with my friends. And now I'm picking up my friends. Hey guys, we're having barbecue. So finally, I met my friends. Hey! Yay! Yay! Kanpai! Woo! I'll show you guys what we having. Now we have sushi. It's our fishing teacher got very from Awaji and some beef and shiitake and sausage.
Beef review.
Huh?
Review.
We are trying to go to water. Hi guys. You're gonna play with the water. Don't look at me. I don't want the addiction. Yabai. Hiwa. そこ冷たい。あ、本当や。Hi guys. It's already 7. We started party around 1 and it's nice beautiful sunset. I hope you guys see it. Where's the sunset? Oh, you guys won't see it, huh? Oh yeah, here we go. It's really beautiful. Yeah, we had a good time for barbecue. I'm kind of bad. It's almost ready to go home. Thanks for watching, you guys. I love you. Today we're gonna go hiking. There's one of mountains called Yuzuruha mountain, and we're gonna climb the mountain today. Look at this beautiful view. Can you guys see it? Alright, stay tuned. ここの諭鶴羽ダムの近くの駐車場に停めました。ダムを渡ってあっち側に登るところがあるそうです。ちょっと行ってみます。ここから登れるみたいです。登るよん。Alright, we just started climbing mountains and like this. 見える? Can you guys see? Beginning of the mountain is pretty steep.今ね、10分ぐらい歩いて、そしたらちょっと穏やかになってきました。なんかあったね今。Getting tired already. Hi guys. I just walked a little less than 20 minutes, but it's quite a tired. Make sure you bring nice shoes for mountain. Don't come with a heel. I'll update you guys. Going to be. こんな感じでちょっと坂道があったり平らなところもあったりします。なんかこういう風に石が積まれてる。これなんだろう。ああ、Where's the top? So we're on the top. What time is it? I'm wondering how long does it take? We started 2:07, so it's a little less than hour.
52 minutes.
52 minutes. We completed this. なんだっけ? I forgot the name of the mountain. You can see Naruto Bridge somewhere. This is the top. That's cool. ここが Shrine です。Yuzuruha Shrine. Here it is.
.こんな感じで神社があります。ただ上には自動販売機もお店もないので、もし休憩したいときは何か持ってくるといいかもです。親子杉だって。なんか素敵な壮大な木。
なんかね、この辺ね、迷うよ。ちょっとこのサインがあるから従ってみるけど、どうだろう。It's a little dangerous going down. I think those are pink living. This is a sign to going down. Yeah. Oh, and it's really slippery. If you're a beginner or mountain climber, I think that's a little hard. Oh, see, there's some another living.やっぱり今ちゃんとした道に戻ってきたんだけど、さっきのは違う道だったみたい。迷った人のためにああいうピンクのリボンでガイドしてるんだと思います。とりあえず下に降りられそうです。
Look, it's there.天然の鹿、めっちゃ感動しました。こんな感じで無事に降りることができました。
Hi guys! We finished climbing mountain! Round trip was almost like 7K. It was pretty tired.
700 meters
It's not 700 meters.
elevation.
It's more like wild type of trail, right?
It's a normal hiking trail.
That's he said. Maybe he's right. Anyway, it was really good working out. If you visit Awaji and if you stay in a nice hotel and eat a full meal, and if you want to have some workout, I recommend this climbing mountain. All right, thank you guys for watching. Oh yeah. It's nice view, right? Thank you guys for watching. See you next adventure. Bye. Thank you guys for watching this video. Bye guys.
But you're still there. Why are you still there?
It's done. Do you want some off shot? No. Stop.
You're the star. The Yuke star.